Most digital product businesses never grow past their first product. Not because the product failed, because the creator moved on instead of going deeper.
One product, scaled correctly, can generate more income than 10 products launched carelessly. This video is about what scaling one product actually looks like, step by step.
Advantage 1. You know exactly who your buyer is. Every person who purchases tells you their problem, their language, and their level of sophistication. That data is worth more than any market research.
Advantage 2. You can improve it. A single product that gets reviewed, refined, and updated compounds in value. A library of mediocre products does not. Depth beats breadth in the early stage.
Advantage 3. You can build a reputation around it. When people associate your name with one specific result, referrals happen automatically. Scattered products scatter reputation.
Phase 1 is validate and stabilize. Before you scale anything, you need proof that your product solves the problem it claims to solve. Proof means buyers telling you it worked, not just that they bought it.
The validation metric: 30 buyers, 10 unsolicited positive responses. If you cannot get 10 people to tell you the product helped them, the product needs work before the traffic needs scaling.
How to collect this feedback. Email every buyer 7 days after purchase. One question only. What was the most useful part of this product? The answers tell you what to keep, what to cut, and what to double down on.
Phase 2. Deepen this product. Use the feedback from Phase 1 to build version 2. Not a new product, a better version of the same product for the same buyer.
What deepening looks like. Add the missing section buyers asked for. Record a short video walkthrough of the most complex part. Add a template or checklist that removes a step the buyer has to do manually.
Version 2 is not a major rebuild. It is 30% better in the 3 areas buyers said mattered most. Price it 15 to 20% higher. Every existing buyer gets the upgrade free. They become advocates.
Phase 3. Scale the traffic. You now have a validated, refined product. The question is no longer whether it sells. The question is how many people can you get in front of it per week.
Traffic source 1. SEO content. 1 article per week targeting a search term your buyer uses. Each article ends with a direct link to your product. This traffic compounds. An article published today still sends buyers in year 3.
Traffic source 2. Short-form video. 1 60-second video per week showing one result your product produces. No pitch, just the result. The link goes in the bio. Curiosity does the selling.
Traffic source 3. Paid traffic. Once your organic content proves a message converts, put $5 to $10 per day behind it. The organic test tells you what the paid version should say. Never run paid traffic to an unproven message.
Phase 4. Build the ecosystem around the single product. The ecosystem is not more products. It is more ways for the same buyer to go deeper with the same problem.
Ecosystem layer 1. A community. Buyers who get results want to connect with others getting results. A private community adds retention, word of mouth, and recurring revenue if you charge for it.
Ecosystem layer 2. A coaching offer. Some buyers want the product. A percentage want you to help them implement it. A monthly group coaching call at $97 to $200 per month serves that buyer without creating a new product.
Ecosystem layer 3. An affiliate program. Your best buyers become your best salespeople. 25 to 40% commission. They earn. You earn. The product finds audiences you could never reach alone.
Phase 5. Protect the margin. As revenue grows, the temptation is to add headcount and tools. Most of what a growing digital product business needs can be handled by AI and automation for under $300 per month.
What to automate before you hire? Customer delivery via Gumroad, onboarding emails via ConvertKit, support queries via a Claude-powered FAQ system, and revenue reporting via Make.com pulling weekly data automatically.
The rule: automate the repeatable before you hire for the creative. Every dollar spent on automation before headcount multiplies your margin permanently. Every dollar spent on headcount first creates a fixed cost you now have to maintain.
Month 1 to 3. 1 product, 30 to 100 buyers, validation complete. Revenue, $500 to $2,000 per month.
Month 3 to 6, version 2 live, traffic systems running, affiliate program active. Revenue, $2,000 to $6,000 per month.
Month 6 to 12, community or coaching layer added, SEO compounding, paid traffic scaling. Revenue, $5,000 to $20,000 per month.
Month 12 and beyond, the product is an asset. It sells without your daily involvement. The ecosystem generates recurring revenue. One product that functions as an entire business.
Your action this week. If you already have a product, email your last 30 buyers. Ask the one-question feedback request. Compile the answers. That is your version 2 brief.
If you do not have a product yet, that is the starting point. One product, one audience, one problem solved completely. Everything in this video becomes available to you the moment that product exists.
Where are you in this journey? No product yet, first product live, or scaling past your first product? Drop it in the comments. And subscribe for the next build. It is already in motion.